You don't offer friendship. You don't even visit JingleMining to purchase an ASIC miner.
What up guys, this is Ethan from JingleMining. The current price of the second-hand Goldshell AeboxⅡ is surprisingly low, and as a competitive Aleo home miner, many people are considering whether it is worthwhile to purchase and mine Aleo in large quantities. And what I can do for you is to provide a comprehensive review of this machine to see how it really performs. And if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button before you watching. And up to now, the Goldshell AeboxⅡ series has 3 models: AeboxⅡ, AeboxⅡ Pro, and AeboxⅡ. And among them, the AeboxⅡ has the highest hash rate, reaching 54 megahash with the power consumption of 530 watts. And its work efficiency is quite good, and it will not be phased out of the market in the short term. And the appearance of these 3 machines is exactly the same, and they all require an external power source, which, to be honest, is an additional cost. And it would be best if you already have one of them at home. And it's about 198 centimeters tall and 171 centimeters long, and also 96 centimeters wide. And now let's weigh it. So without the external power source and the power cord, the weight of a single machine is 2.4 kg. But most importantly, let's see how it performs in terms of noise and temperature, as this is something home miners are particularly concerned about. But wait a moment, let's show you how to configure, set this Ice River AeboxⅡ to operate first. Let's go. And first, after you receive the machine at home, connect the power cord and Ethernet cable and turn on the switch. And then we need to use this IP scanner on your computer to scan. And for Goldshell machines, they usually appear under the name QSDK. And we just need to check its IP address and copy the IP address into a web browser to directly access the machine's backend. And you will need a username and password. So the username is admin and the password is 129. Once inside, click on miner on the left. Here we click add at the top right, and now we are starting configure the mining pool and wallet address. And because Goldshell collaborates with DXpool, the official recommendation is DXpool, but you can also choose other mining pools, if you want. And for now, I will select DXpool, and you can see that simply clicking the icon will automatically input DXpool's address, which is very convenient. When using DXpool, you can directly use your DXpool username as the wallet address. And of course, you can also input your own wallet address or exchange address. And after all that, click apply, and that's it. Here we go. Then wait a short while, and when you see the icon here, turn from gray to green. So that means the configuration is successful, and the Goldshell AeboxⅡ is already running. Oh, okay, and now let's test the noise and the temperature. Let's do the noise first. Okay, so the noise level of Goldshell AeboxⅡ is 55 dB. I won't say it's completely silent, I mean, after all, there is an external power source. So this kind of level I don't think it will affect your daily life, but it's not absolutely silent. And now let's do the temperature. And I will point directly at its air outlet. So usually it's the hottest place of the unit. Okay, let's do it. So as you can see, it's 43 degrees. And actually this raises another question. I wonder at what temperature the Goldshell AeboxⅡ will be throttling or shut down. I guess let's test it then. Alright, and here you go. So you can see there is a huge heater, and I already put the Goldshell AeboxⅡ inside the heater. So later I'm gonna heat it up and to see at what exact temperature the AeboxⅡ will be throttling or shut down. All we need to do is just focus on the dashboard over here. And also under the normal condition, the hash rate of AeboxⅡ will be like, see, 60, yeah? And the chip temperature will be around 60, 63 degrees or something. And the fan speed at in the normal temperature will be around 2500 RPM. So now I'm gonna heat it up to see how it performs. And here actually show the temperature inside. So inside temperature right now is 34 degrees, and now it's heating up. And you see now the room temperature is reaching to 40 degrees, and the AeboxⅡ is still operating normal. I see the hash rate, there's no significant throttling, and the chip temperature is still around 60 something, and the fan speed is normal, and let's keep heating up. Okay, and now you see the temperature, the chip temperature is already reaching to 70 degrees, and the fan speed is around 4000 RPM. That's crazy. And the room temperature now is okay, now it's reaching to 50 degrees, and the hash rate is still not significant dropping for now. You see, now it's holding at 59 or something. Okay, and now you see the chip temperature is almost 80 degrees, and the hash rate is still not dropping. That's very crazy, and the fan speed is reaching to 4500 RPM. And I only had it running for like 7 minutes till now. And the inside temperature right now is already 60 degrees. That's crazy. And the AeboxⅡ is still operating. It's very, very impressive. Oh, here we go, it shut down, and at the temperature of 61 degrees of the room temperature. That's very, very impressive. Okay, and now let's tear it down to see the internal structure of the Goldshell AeboxⅡ. Because this unit is without any power supply, so I think the internal structure will be very clear and easy. So here is the fans, and right there you can see these two massive heat sinks for cooling down the whole machine. All right, and hold on. Let me carefully pull this out. Don't do this at home by yourself. Okay, and here you go. Wow. Right here is the motherboard, and right here, this board is the hash board, and there are multiple powerful and tiny chips lie on it. Alright, and now let's see the chips. As you can see, there are a total of 37 compact yet powerful chips, each of them continuously providing immense computational power to the Goldshell AeboxⅡ every second. Okay, and that's all for the video today. What do you think about the Goldshell AeboxⅡ? Let me know in the comments. And if you need anything from the world of mining, I mean anything, visit JingleMining.com. This is Ethan. I'll see you next time.